Hi everybody, it's Mr. Lou. This is page 108. Solve. So let's look at our example. An octagon has 8 sides. How many sides do 5 octagons have? Anytime I have word problems, I like to draw pictures and take it one sentence at a time. So it says an octagon has 8 sides. Well, they draw an octagon for you. What I'm going to do right now is write 8 to show that it's got 8 sides. How many sides do 5 octagons have? Alright, so I'm going to draw my 5 octagons. Here's my first one. Here's my second octagon. Here's my third octagon. Here's my fourth octagon. And I apologize for the drawing. And here's the fifth octagon. 1, 2. Okay, and of course I know it all has 8 sides. So I'm going to put the number 8 right over here. And by looking at these, I know I have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 8. So I have 5 groups of 8, which is the same thing as 5 times 8. So what I can do is I can count my 8s over here, but when I have a 5 times 8, I know I can do 8 times 5. And I like to count my 5s because it's easier. So that would be just 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So 5 octagons have 40 sides. Moving on, 8 children make up a team. Alright, so I'm going to draw a simple, we can make a bar model. Let's do a simple bar model. Here's my team. And I'm going to put the number 8 right in the middle. So that's my team. And I got 8 people over here, 8 children here. It says how many children make up 7 teams? Well, that's my first team, second team, third team, fourth team, fifth, sixth, and 7th team. And I know I have 8 children in each team. Okay, so here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 groups of 8, which is the same thing as 7 times 8. Okay, so here I need to know what 7 times 8 equals. And the easiest way of doing that is I can just write down my 8 multiples. So over here I'm going to write down my 8 multiples. Let's put it a little closer. Okay, so 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, and 80. Alright, if you don't know how to write your 8 multiples, oops, I put 8, 18, 8, 16. If you don't know how to write your 8 multiples, my suggestion would be to draw 8 circles and then start counting 8s to write down your 8 multiples. So here we go, I have 7 times 8. Well, that's 1, 2, 3 times 8, 4 times 8, 5 times 8, 6 times 8, and 7 times 8 over here. So I know that's 56. Okay, number 15. A chocolate cake has 8 cherries. How many cherries do 6 such cake have? Okay, so let's do the first sentence at a time. A chocolate cake has 8 cherries. So I'm going to draw a nice little cake, or a circle to represent my cake. And I know it has 8 cherries. So then it says, how many cherries do 6 such cake have? So I need 6 cakes. So it's 1 cake, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cakes. And I know each one of them has 8 cherries. So if you look at this picture over here, this is 6 groups of 8, or 6 times 8. Alright, and I have my 8 multiples right over here, so I can do 6 times 8 pretty easily. 1, 2, 3 times 8, 4 times 8, 5 times 8, 6 times 8. And it's 48. So 6 such cake has 48 cherries. Okay, and that's page 108.